Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Monica and I welcome you all back to my channel. So today I'm back with yet another video. This video is going to be very interesting because I'm going to show you a simple doable party makeup look. So the backstory behind this will be told in a few minutes, so be there for that. So this makeup look is quite doable, less time consuming and very easy to do. So if you like to watch such videos, please comment down on this video and continue watching this particular video. First things first, to start off with the entire process of makeup, you need to prep your skin. I know you have heard this a lot of times that skin prep is really important, but I vouch for it. Whenever I do not prepare my skin and do my makeup, it turns out really horrible. So I always make sure that my skin prep is very minimal, but I need to do it because my face is really not suitable to do makeup without any skin prep. I don't have a flawless skin, so I need to, as you can see, I have these pores. I have a little bumpy texture on my nose, so I have to take care that I prep my skin quite well. So for that I'm going to start off with a toner. Now this is actually Plum Ka bottle, but inside this I have some other toner which I will be mentioning in the description box, as well as I'll be popping it somewhere here. So this is some other toner but in Plum Ka bottle, and I'll just spritz it all over my face. After letting it dry and massaging it for a while, I'll be going in with my moisturizer. Now this is again my holy grail. This is a Pond's moisturizer. It's the gel variant and I love it, and I've bought a bigger dabba. Okay, it came in a combo offer, so I got it. And the reason why I still use it is because I feel whether you use this or whether you use the higher end ones like the L'Oreal one or the Neutrogena one, I think they are more or less the same, and I don't believe in investing on products which are like high end just for the sake of it when they are doing the same job as a product with a lesser price. So I think going in for that is better for me because it's just moisturizing at the end of the day. Your skin really doesn't need something high end for that. So going in with this moisturizer and really massaging it properly, especially under my eyes. Neither do I have never tried a eye cream at all in my life. I've just been using moisturizer under my eyes, and recently I started moisturizing under my eyes because my under eyes tend to get a bit dry. So same moisturizer. Okay, so I think I'll let it sit for a while. So today topic is party makeup, right? So I've experimented with party makeup quite a lot. Just the other day I was going for this party with my husband and my family, and I had to do a makeup, so I really did this simple makeup in like 5 to 6 minutes and I was done. And I was like, I need to share this video. I need to make a video on party makeup for you guys because I think I have not made one on my channel. I've done a 5-minute makeup, simple makeup, but party is something like we often go for different parties. This you can do irrespective of any function or event you've got, whether it's a wedding or a bridesmaid shower party, whatever, bridal shower party, anything. Even if you're a bride, this simple makeup you can do for any of your festivities. So I am experimenting a lot. Hope you like whatever I am experimenting with. During this time, I'll also, since the moisturizer is drying on my face, I will go ahead and apply this lip balm because I need my lips to be prepped as well. By the time I apply my lipstick, my lips will be quite hydrated. This lip balm is by Wishcare. It's their Sunproof Lip Ceramide Smooth Lip Balm. It's tinted. It has a subtle tint. Gives you a really nice pinkish tint. So I just have this one lip balm. Again, I believe in the concept of minimalism. I don't want to own like 100 lip balms. I think one lip balm does it for me, and I have bought it especially to prep my lips whenever I'm applying any lipstick because your lips apply beautifully if you have hydrated lip. Okay, for the next step, since my moisturizer is not completely but a bit dry, my lips are prepped, I will go ahead with a primer. Now this primer I bought this year. It's the L4 Power Grip Primer, and it's in this blue color ka variant. They have a niacinamide pink color ka variant as well, or they have one more mattifying primer as well, which I really want to try, but it was out of stock as I checked last time. So this is what I got, and it's almost over now. उसको ज़रा बचा बचा के I'm using it. I'll put it on this brush. This is how I like to apply my primer. This is the Faces Canada brush. This looks like this. Okay, I take a bit, okay, a very controlled amount so that I can apply it properly. I like to apply my makeup with brushes because I have learned that with brushes the technique is really nicer as compared to if you apply it by hand, and your hands remain clean as well. So I'm like nicely applying a primer. Now priming my face is very important for me. If you have a flawless skin, if you don't have any concerns on your face, and I feel the moisturizer does it for you. But for my skin type, since I really have prominent pores and I have like a little bumpy texture on my skin as well, I feel priming is really worth it for me. So my primer is also a bit dry now. I take around a gap of a few seconds before I apply the next product. For me it works that way because I would like not my product not to mix with each other. I like to have a complete clear canvas while I'm doing my makeup. So I wait after each step around 5 to 10 seconds, you can say, not much. So this is my foundation. I am currently using the K Beauty Hydrating Foundation. I have used the Lancome foundation in the past and it's a really beautiful formula. You can watch my previous videos if you want like a review on that. And currently I'm using the K Beauty one. It's their hydrating foundation and I am in the shade 130 Y medium. Now I don't know the shade is suitable, like I have mentioned this in my previous video again, that the lady at the counter when I went to a Nykaa store, she sold this to me. That time my face paint was looking better, but I don't think it's looking good now. Nevertheless, ye khatam hone tak I'm not getting a new one. So what I do is, this is a trick that I follow for a really dewy effect because I like it that way. I like a skin type finish as well. I don't like a completely matte, full face, full bead foundation. So I have a hack. I put this on the back of my hand like this. Okay, one pump is enough, this much, a pea-sized amount. Then I take my moisturizer. Okay, so I mix my moisturizer with this using a brush. Now brush does my job. Okay, जो remnant होता है lid पे moisturizer का, I take it all and I go ahead and mix it with my foundation. Mix it properly to get that really great base, which is very light. It's skin tint जैसा effect आता है. That's why I like to do this step. And then I go ahead and this same brush, जिससे मैंने primer, I had applied primer with this brush. I apply the foundation with the same brush, mixing my moisturizer. So you can see how beautiful it is gliding. ऐसा effect आना चाहिए. That is why I mix my foundation with the moisturizer, so I get like a really beautiful dewy effect. First I go in with this brush. I apply all the product on my face like this, especially on my nose since my nose really has bad pigmentation. So I go in with this product like this, and my forehead is perpetually darker than my whole face. So like I go little only. I don't have like apply too much there, otherwise my foundation and my skin are going to look two different colors and my foundation is going to become really ashy. This is one more reason why I kind of like to mix my moisturizer with my foundation. So as you can see now itself, I have gotten like a really beautiful dewy base, but still I need to blend it. So what I do is I take my foundation brush. Now this is from Mars. I got like a whole set of brushes from them, and they were really cheap at that time, but I think they have increased their prices, so please check the set out. So this is the Mars in the variant F02. That's the name of the brush. I go in, okay, with the same whatever remnant product jo tha, I'll just go and pat it like this, the brush, so that it absorbs whatever little product, and I'll go on my face like this. Just need to push in or buff in the product, whatever you call it. I'm showing you the close-up. This is how it looks. It really looks beautiful. I think it really looks well. And the extra जो pigmentation है, later on you can cover it with a concealer. So that is why controlled application is very important. At this point, you all must be thinking that it is really a longer process, and I said it's a simple process, but this same steps I'm showing it to you really stepwise. That's why I'm showing it in a slower manner. But if you know makeup really well, and if you're like doing it, you have a practice of doing it for a longer time, you can do this makeup in 5 to 10 minutes max. So this is all about practicing and getting the technique right. And my foundation has kind of dried on my face. It's dry on my face. Now I'll move on to the next step. At this point, you can either set your face, which is why what I avoid. I really do not like setting spray as much on my face. If I'm going for really like a heavy duty function, like somebody in my family is getting married or my closest people are getting married, then I prefer setting my face. But other than that, I think setting powder do your job. If you don't want to invest in a setting spray, here's a trick that I had learned from Mickey Contractor, who is kind of the greatest name in the makeup industry. He gave a tip once in Masoom Meenawala's show that if you apply setting powder, they do a great job as well. You do not need setting sprays all the time. You can do a good job with the setting powder. So at this time, I'll just leave it this way because I do not want like a full beat thing. I'll just leave it like that. I'll not apply any setting spray. So next step is applying a concealer. Now a concealer is really important in my makeup vanity. I cannot do without a concealer. I think I can go without a foundation, but not without a concealer. And this is the Maybelline Fit Me concealer. This is, I think, my third or fourth purchase. I don't even know at this point what purchase. Now I am using a very controlled hand to apply the concealer just at the ends of my under eyes. I'm not going and doing the full beat thing because I want to keep it as minimal. A little on my eyelids as well because I'm going to apply a bit of eyeshadow. So here a little bit, and then a little on my nose because my nose is, as I said, pigmented. Blending the concealer, I'm using a PAC concealer brush number 219. This is the PAC Cosmetics concealer brush. I specifically wanted to invest in a good concealer brush because concealer is the thing that I use quite a lot. I avoid applying any over the top brightening concealers because I like a skin like finish. But if you like that effect, you can go ahead and use a brightening concealer. I have one. I use this Mask for concealer in the shade, I guess it is 0. I don't know which shade is this, but I use this Mars concealer. It's a bit lighter than my skin tone. I can show it to you. Apply a bit. If you're applying a brightening concealer, remember, less. Take it on your hand if you want. This much is enough for your whole under eye. You cannot please don't go overboard because concealers like this will get a whole lot of pigment. Again, pushing it. You see that? Please use controlled hand movement, controlled product movement. अगर hand movement आता नहीं है, then please go very less with your product because that's the key. Less product, beautiful makeup. More product all at once, very difficult to control your hands. Before using any setting powder, I would like to apply all my जो भी liquid products है. I will go ahead and apply all my liquid products. Usually for such parties and all, I really do not use contour. Contour I use only for my videos. If I am really doing like a full bead makeup, some really artistic kind of makeup, I'll use contour. Otherwise, I am really not a contour person and I miss it at all times I can. But blush is necessary. Blush is the most necessary product in my makeup vanity if I am doing a party makeup. So for my blush this time I'm using. This time मेरे पास एक ही blush है. I just have one blush and one more lip and cheek tint because I really don't think you need 100 blushes in your vanity. You do with one or two brushes and if blushes. But if you need more blush, then you can go ahead and use your eyeshadow. It gives a beautiful pigment as well. That is what I'm going to do. First, I'm applying this liquid blush from Mars. It's in the shade Dawn, and I'm going to after set the whole thing with a powder blush, which is my eyeshadow again. Multiple usage, very important. So what I do for my blush application is take this at the back of my hand again. Very controlled product. You need only that much product. That is why this blush I've been using since a year and it's still not getting over. It's a 12 ml. The product is still not over because this is how much you need. and in spite of using blush like regularly still. So this is what I'm doing, patting till my brush absorbs everything on my hand, and then going it with an angular upward motion. This is what I'm doing. This. Take it right up to your temples. You can see how beautiful it's looking. Abhi itna अच्छा दिख रहा है. This can be increased. The intensity I can just increase it, but at this point I'm going with a setting powder. Okay, so for my setting powder, I'm using the Fit Me, Maybelline Fit Me loose setting powder. I'm in the shade 25 medium Moen. So it's a dupe of Huda Beauty, I feel, because I have not used Huda Beauty, but I feel, seeing all the videos or tutorials dekhe, I feel this comes really close. If you don't want to invest in a high-end setting powder, I think you can definitely go for this. I have used the e.l.f. one, but I love this socket. So now what I do is, for a very controlled product application, because we don't want to waste our money, I take it on the lid and slightly I take this brush. This is a dome shaped brush from again Mars Cosmetics. Here I just try to lessen the product. So this is how I do, applying on my eyelids as well, because I need to apply eyeshadow up here. Can you see it? This is what it does to you. It has a beautiful blurring effect. Look at this. At this point I'm even setting my whole face, because I feel setting powders, for a person, for an oily skin girl like me, setting powders are a blessing. Instead of setting spray, I would prefer using a setting powder. And voila, this is the beautiful base I was talking about. Now at this point, I feel that I want to set or apply more pigment on my blush area, because blush to dikh hi nahi raha hai, so I need a little more pigment. That is when my palette comes to rescue. So I'm taking in little mauvier shades with my blush brush. ये मेरा blush brush है. तो यहाँ का जो mauve shade है, as you can see, this mauve shade, I really like the shade. उस time I was just trying and it really turned out beautiful. तो ये mauve shade, I'm taking it on my brush. Okay, again patting it on my hand. ये देखिए. Okay, go again in that motion and go in with slow motion. Okay, slow, one pat at a time. ऐसा करो. I think on in camera इतना नहीं दिख रहा है, I think उसका pigment, but if you see me in person, I'm seeing myself in the mirror, the pigment is bang on. Now that my my base is done, my blush is there, I've set my face, I'm going ahead with my eyes. Some people do their eyes first, some people do their base first, whatever suits for you. I try and interchange those things. So today I'm using my most used shade from this K Beautica palette, which is in the variant Celestial. ये shade जो है, मैंने I don't know how many times I have used it. This is quite like a very pinkish, nude pink kind of a shade, if you can see this, and it's really beautiful to create those softer transitions, and it matches with my blush as well. So I'm taking it on a medium fluffy blending brush. Again, it's from PAC. It's in the variant 203, and again I'm just swirling it. I think I'll take a bigger one. मेरे को लगता है I think the bigger, ये वाला जो fluffy brush है, will work the best with this shade. तो ये Mars Cosmetics है. ये this is like a really large fluffy blending brush. I'll take product and then go. ये देखो, ये मस्त है. मैं एक ही शेड यूज कर रही हूँ. When I tell you a trick about how do I get a beautiful eyeliner as well, different shade when I don't own one. If you can see, next I am going in with a hack which I have recently learned for eyeliners. You take any shade, metallic shade you want, which is what I am aiming currently. Metallic कोई भी ले लो, ये मैं लूँगी because my transition shade pink है, so I think this will go well. This is how your brush should look. ये angled है. Okay, this is what it is. It's from again PAC. मस्त है ये. It's in the number 372. सेटिंग स्प्रे लो अपना, कोई भी सेटिंग स्प्रे ले सकते हो. मैं लॉरियल का यूज़ कर रही हूँ. सो टेक अ सेटिंग स्प्रे and just spray it on your. Go in with the shade. जिसके कोई भी मेटालिक शेड आपको लेना है आप ले सकते हैं. I'm going in with this. Go in and make a beautiful wing line. As you can see, दिख रहे हो आप? This is how you get that eyeliner. You can create a wing as well. I'll just create a wing and I'll be back. Can you just see the eyeliner? I bet ये in person उससे भी और अच्छा दिख रहा है. I don't know, कैमरा पे लाइट नहीं पकड़ रहा है, but this is the best hack. Use a setting spray on your eyeliner type brush and you'll see the difference. You can literally create 100 different eyeshadow eyeliner looks using this hack. You don't need different color liners. आप पैसे बचा सकते हो. अगर आपके पास ऐसा कोई eyeshadow palette है, this will serve you well for your eyeshadow, for your eyeliner. You're good to go. तो इसी जो eyeshadow palette है उसमें से मैं एक shimmer shade ले रही हूँ. This one, this is my favorite again. I love it. And I'm just applying it over here to slightly give it a wet and do party like effect. Let's see how smooth this shimmer is. I really love K Beauty eyeshadow. She has done a great job with the beginning. Katrina really knows her stuff. So I'm skipping the mascara part of it because I really don't like to overload my eyes again and again using mascara. I usually skip my mascara at all times. So if you really like using mascara, you can go ahead. अगर आपको mascara पहनना पसंद नहीं है, you can only curl your eyelashes. That works well. I even don't like to go over my brows. I just like to keep them untamed as they are. I get my brows done once or twice a year. Apart from that, I really don't touch them. But I think I need to, go through a brow grooming routine as well. But as of now, I'm just skipping it. This is what I'm doing to my eyes, and I think it's looking fab. For the last step, I'm just applying my lipstick. So this is a recent step that I've started doing. Last party में मैंने यही किया था. I had just gone on with my lip liner and a lip oil which I recently got from the Nykaa hot pink sale. This is the ELF ka lip oil. This is a bit expensive, but I think it will serve you quite long. And this is like if you want to create like a really glam lip combo kind of a thing, you should go for lip oil. They are not only hydrating, but they really give that glam effect for parties. You just need a simple lip liner. ये Swiss Beauty से है, by the way. I really feel Swiss Beauty and Mars are doing great at their lip products. उनके lip products बहुत ही pigmented है, and they are they are just so cheap. 65 rupees के है ये lip pencils, and they are really good for their price. So what I'll do is I'm going and applying my lip liner first. Make sure that your lip liner is sharpened well, creating a really good gradient. This is beautiful. Wiping off excess and just filling in the corners. This is what I wanted to achieve. Very soft pink kind of a look. So now I'll go ahead and apply my lip oil, and you can just see the effect that this lip oil gives. Yes, इतना expensive है. This is what a lip oil does to you. I think it's much better than buying a lip gloss. I think if you buy a lip oil, you're sorted. If you just apply a lip liner and a lip oil, it's just beautiful, and it's quite hydrating as well. अभी ये मत expect करो that you'll get a full-on tint from this, because this is not what lip oils are meant for. You'll get a slight tint, but not like a full beat tint, as opposed to a lip gloss where you get a bit of a tint. I'll go in with more. If you want like a really minimal lip, this is what I would suggest you go for: a lip oil of any sorts and a lip liner. This will do the job for you. If you want, you can leave your makeup just like this. It's looking fab, I guess. Or else I'll go ahead and apply and do the final step, that is just spritz a little bit of setting spray. I'm taking this L'Oreal Infallible setting spray. I got influenced and bought it, but it's good, but it just doesn't do well with my hair. I'll just shake it a bit before applying and then spritz it all over my face. Guys, I'm filming this video at night, but I'm so happy with what I have created. I think makeup seek के I'm become really good with it, and I'm so proud of myself कि मैंने इतना अच्छा look pull off किया है. This is what I would like to wear for a party whenever I'm going for any kind of party, and really like it's easy to create. It's beautiful. Get with the right products, with the right brushes. This is what you get. This is the look that you get, and I think it's worth it. I'll be back and I'll show you what this look looks in different lightings so that you might get a gist of it.
The break of day, whispering pines.
This video turned out quite fun and I had a lot of fun creating this video. ऐसे आई एम कमिंग अप विद अ लॉट ऑफ आइडियाज़. दिस वॉज लाइक अ वेरी इम्प्रॉम्प्टू प्लान दैट मैंने सोचा था लास्ट टाइम व्हेन आई हैड गॉन टू अ पार्टी कि आई विल डू अ पार्टी मेकअप एंड शो यू ऑल. बट इफ़ यू वांट मोर सच वीडियोस यू माइट एज वेल कमेंट डाउन और आप बताइए आपको कौन से देखने हैं वीडियोस. एज पर दैट आई कैन start making more and more content for you guys. So if you like this video, please like और सब्सक्राइब कीजिए. Please recommend all your other family members as well to subscribe to this channel if they like beauty videos, and see you in the next video.